Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we on smart sidebar in our Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on your phone smart sidebar settings. So how can you on and how can you use today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Then click on guys your system setting guys. Sorry friends, click on special feature. First of all, tap here friends, you can see your smart slide sidebar. So when we will tap here and then we will on from here and then how can we use. So friends, you can see it showing how to use. So then right side guys, friends, you can see your screenshot. You want to take a screenshot, so you can take a screenshot. As like guys, you can see guys the shortcut setting. And we again tap here guys, you want to on screen recording. So then you can on screen recording from here. So like that guys, you can use your smart sidebar setting in a Realme phone device and you can on it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet our next video. Bye bye friends.